Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we are going to make this very beautiful multicolored crochet made tea coaster. Two rounds of each color we have made. Total we have used 4 colors. So total 8 rounds will be there. Now let's start. We have taken yarn of 4 ply and crochet of 3 mm. First we'll make a slip knot. We'll take over yarn over front finger and hold with thumb and mid finger and control it by the lower 2 fingers. First we make a slip knot. Then we'll make a small ring. For that we have to make 5 chains. 5 chains will make slightly tight. Five chains. After making 5 chains, we'll attach with the first chain with the help of slip stitch. Thus a small ring has been formed. Now we are going to make our first round. 3 chains we'll make, and we'll make 1 double crochet in the ring itself, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. Total we'll make 8 double crochets in the ring separated by 1 chains. 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain will make 8 times. That means 8 double crochets will be there in the ring. We have to make 4 petals. So let's complete our first round. Eight double crochets separated by 1 chain we have made. Now we'll make 1 chain more and attach with the uppermost chain with slip stitch. Now first round is complete. Now we are going to make our second round. First we'll move to the next pocket by making 1 single crochet. And then in the next pocket we'll make 7 double crochets. 7 double crochets we'll make in the next pocket. 2 pockets are required for 1 petal. So in one pocket we'll use 1 single crochet, and in the next pocket we'll make 7 double crochets. Seven double crochets we have make in this pocket. Now we'll make 1 single crochet in the next pocket, and now 7 double crochets. It's the turn of 7 double crochets in the next pocket. In the second round of each color, we have to make 7 double crochet in one pocket and 1 single crochet in next pocket in every color second round. Seven double crochets we have made. Now we'll make 1 single crochet in the next pocket. Following this pattern, we'll complete our this round. Total 4 pockets will be used for 7 double crochets and 4 pockets will be used for 1 single crochet. So total we will have 4 petals or 4 sides we can say. Now we've completed our this round. We'll complete this by making 1 single crochet in the next pocket. We'll make 1 chain and detach it. Detach the thread here itself. We'll tag it at the back neatly. See, it is looking beautiful. Now we'll add next color. We'll add in between the 2 petals. You see where I am using in between the 2 pockets. First we'll make a slip knot of the color of your own choice. You can take the color of your own choice. First we make 4 chains. Now we'll make 4 chains, not 3. Now 1 double crochet. Now 3 chains, 1 double crochet in the same space. In the same chain we are taking 2 more chains and 1 double crochet here again. Total we have made 4 double crochet. First separated by 2 chains, next separated by 3 chains, next separated by 2 chains. Now 5 chains will make to cross one petal to the other. In the next chain we'll make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. Total 4 double crochets will make, or we can say we have made 2 sets of 2 double crochets separated by 3 chains. 5 chains to cross over the next petal. We'll make same set of double crochets. Here again 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet again. We'll complete our this round. Round we have completed. Now we'll attach with the help of slip stitch. Now we have 3 pockets in the corner. In first pocket we'll make 7 double crochets. In every second round of each color, we'll make 7 double crochets in one pocket, 1 single crochet in next pocket, 7 double crochets we have made. Now we'll make 1 single crochet in next pocket. Now 7 double crochets in the next pocket. So in one corner we have made 2 sets of 7 double crochets. Total we had 3 pockets. In the central pocket we'll make 1 single crochet and we have made 2 sets of 7 double crochets. Now we'll make 1 single crochet in the central chain, that means 4th chain including the upper chain we'll make 1 single crochet. Now 7 double crochets, will not make any chain in between. One set of 7 double crochet. Either we'll make double crochet or we'll make single crochet, will not make chain anywhere. Seven double crochets we have made in first pocket. Now in the second pocket we'll make 1 single crochet and in the next again 7 double crochets. Like this we'll complete our whole round, which we have completed. We'll attach with the help of slip stitch. One chain we'll make and attach the thread here only. Next color we join after making slip knot. 4 chains we'll make. Now we'll make 1 double crochet. Now in this pocket we have made only 1 set of double crochet separated by 2 chains. Now 5 chains we'll make to cross 1 petal. Now it's the corner, so we'll make here complete set. 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. It's the corner, so we have made full set. 5 chains we'll make to cross 1 petal. Now it is not the corner, so we'll make half set. That means 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. In the sides, that means except the corners, we'll make small set. Now in the corner we'll make full set. Like this we have completed our whole round. We'll attach with slip stitch. First move to the pocket. Now 7 double crochets we'll make after making 3 chains. 7 double crochets we'll make in this pocket In the sides, we'll make only one set of 7 double crochets. It's the second round of color, so we'll make one single crochet in the fourth chain. We'll count in the fourth chain, including the upper chain, we'll make single crochet. Now out of 3 pockets, we'll make 7 double crochets in the first pocket. One single crochet in the next pocket, second pocket, and 7 double crochets in the third pocket. One single crochet in the fourth chain out of 7 double crochets. We'll make one single crochet over the central chain, fourth chain. Now again one set of 7 double crochets. Following this pattern, we'll complete our whole this round. The pattern looks quite beautiful. In the same way, we'll attach next color. So as earlier made, we'll make 4 chains and 1 double crochet in the same chain. In the same stitch, we'll make 1 double crochet. Now we have to cross one petal, so we'll make 5 chains. It's the side, so we'll make only small set of 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet, 5 chains to cross the petal, now it's the corners, so we'll make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains and again 1 double crochet. We'll always make this set of double crochets in the corners. So let's complete our this round following this pattern. Now it's the second round of this color, so we'll make 7 double crochets in pockets and 1 single crochet in between as we made earlier. 7 double crochets in this pocket we'll make. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. Of course, please don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. This pattern is all made up of double crochets or single crochets, so beginners can also easily make it. The pattern looks very beautiful. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day. and thank you for watching.